couldn't even subdue him. Pathetic.
Tell you what, give me another chance and I will finish the job. The guy's got it coming to him.
I gave you the power. I'll decide how and when you use it. You failed me once. Don't let it happen again.
Where's the princess?
She would be here if your brother hadn't gotten in the way again.
Is he all right?
You'd better find another way to release the seal, or you're of no use to me. I don't remember inviting you in.
How'd you know it was me?
I have a nose like anybody else.
I almost had him. But Caleb butted in.
I'm not interested in your failures.
There's one thing I hate, it's being tricked.
And I hate being betrayed.
Yeah. And after all you've done for Samira, do you want me to go and fetch her back for you?
I can't trust her anymore. But it doesn't matter. The book's secrets are now unlocked. There's no part of dark magic I won't be able to have.
What language was that?
Urdak.
You can read the book.
I told you I'd master it. Now I know how to take the next step.
And what's that?
Come, and I'll show you.
I might just stay here.
It wasn't a request. Book?
If this doesn't work, you'll be destroyed. Do something.
How I sit here, but
Shouldn't you step on the stone there?
Shut up!
Why are you stopping?
Out of my way!
Did the book tell you what to do next? You can control this thing, can't you?
I sit here with these years. Beer. This is useless.
So Samira and Caleb are the only ones that understand it.
She's not about to help, is she?
Well, maybe I could lean her in a bit, make her talk.
You couldn't get anything out of her that I haven't.
You might find there's more to me than meets the eye.
There's nothing to you, hidden or otherwise. I hear you and your friend are enjoying your newfound powers. Don't get too comfortable, Sink. You already failed me with Samira.
You should forget about her. She'll never read the book for you.
You're probably right. Luckily, she's not the only one who reads Urdak.
Caleb. He'll never help you.
Not willingly, no. But there are other ways to get to him.
You want me to twist his arm?
You really are dumb, aren't you? We will go after him where he least expects it. Attack what he cares about the most.
I had her. I had her right in front of me, her and her little friend.
And
They got away.
it makes no difference. And Caleb?
He was coming at us, but it was strange.
He escaped.
No, he was gonna take us on, but he disappeared.
Outsmarted by both Alex and Caleb in one day. You're beyond pathetic.
No, he didn't jump out on purpose. He looked weird all of a sudden, then bang, he was gone. He didn't do it on his own. It was like he was taken.
Taken?
I can't explain it, but it was like he wasn't in control.
Really? Then we'll have to watch him more closely. This could be important.
I say we go after him. He's weak. You saw him. He can't even defend himself.
He came for the book. Something serious has happened to him.
Can't even use his magic properly.
How do you know that? You know something.
Me? No.
Don't lie to me, Sink.
A couple of days ago, I saw him. I didn't think anything of it at the time. It didn't seem important, but I attacked him.
And you didn't think to tell me.
There wasn't anything to tell.
Where was this?
Temple ruins. He was trying some kind of spell and something strange happened. I don't know. What do you think's happening to him?
It's the vault. He no longer controls dark magic. Dark magic controls him. Wake up.
I am so going to kill...
Get up. I need you to find Caleb.
and finish him off.
Harm him, and I will destroy you where you stand.
But now's the time to get him.
He is no longer in control of his powers. I need to find out what happened to him.
And you think he'll tell?
He will talk, but don't hurt him. He's precious to me.
You're the one who killed her.
He's...
Let him be.
No, I just need to teach him some
What
manners.
you need is to let us talk.
But I just...
Go! You'll have to forgive him. He doesn't understand the true power of dark magic. Not like you. He's more important to me now than ever. Be sure to look after him.
But he's a prisoner.
He holds the key to my destiny. And more power than you could ever imagine. The vault's pulling him back. And I'm going to give him to it.
I'm not hungry.
Shame. You're missing out.
We've known each other all our lives, you and I.
Not for much longer.
You don't have to let her do this.
You're afraid.
Not for me. For Mandrapole. Everyone here and in the other world. She'll destroy it all.
You expect me to believe that? How stupid do you think I am?
She doesn't care about anything but her own power. She'll use you, and then...
I've had enough of your lies.
You had your chance here, and you messed it up. The problem is, you know the good life when it's offered to you. I couldn't stop him. He...
Quiet! Bring him. It starts now.
What are you going to do with him?
I'm going to return his magic to its source. Losing his life is a small price to pay for such glory. When his dark magic is released, it will unleash a new dark age.
And we will rule together.
We. I'm not finished with you yet.
Yes, mistress.
I have a little job for you. In the other world.